Come stop the crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Yes, you'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart always. Why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other to have and to hold. They'll see in time, I know. When destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you got to hold on. They'll see in time, I know. Show them together, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart always. Always. Just look over your shoulder. Just look over your shoulder.
Nay, mahula nyo.
Ano wala? Boy.
Pink.
Yan na yung ano.
Girl.
Pink.
Ayan, bubuksan nila yung ano.
Duko. Saan sila?
Kuha sila ng bag.
Hindi, nasa sila?
Ayun.
Ayan.
Yun na.
Kylie na! Nurse, ano na?
Mag-mute tayo.
Ayan
na. Sila, Cheska.
Yan na.
Ano pa-mute ka?
Nasaan kami yan? Laki yan. One. Look at dito, MJ.
Yan na.
Boy!
Hindi na kayo sa...
Boy! Ano mo, ganun mo.
Picturean mo muna. Picturean mo na. Yung buong screen.
Dapat siya naging nakapin.
Wait lang.
Go. Dapat kailan nakapin.
Wait lang. Paano yun?
Go.
Team boy, sila.
Team boy, let's go!
Boy! Boy!
Boy.
Boy! Boy!
Hindi ka
Kaya na. 3.
Yun na!
Huwag ka sumigaw, Mahal. Baka ano kanina ah. Matakot si Mahal.
Hindi ko pala alam, Len. Alam mo.
Alam na nila.
Alam na.
Boy.
Congratulations! Anong
It's a boy, Jackson!
Ay,
It's a boy!
Another boy! Another my boy!
Boy, that's my boy!
Another my boy! Tuwa si Michael! Kasi Cheska
Ito,
naman.
sabi nito.
Another my boy.
Cheska pala ang tuwa-tuwa. Yay! May pangalawa na akong anak!
Hindi, video ako dun.
Yun o, baldot pa o.
Sabihin mo na, babe.
Mantuwa si Papa o.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, forward na kayo mga nakapag.
Paano kayo? Sino mo patakain tahayan ngayon? Mahalo ka.
Anong ulam mo?
Sa mukha ni Chef.
Ito ka nagpapalipakita ko. Ang bagong isip. Dandanan. Kaya takot sila.
Wait lang. Sige.
Yun na?
Yun na.
1, 2, 3.
Ay, lalaki. Okay lang. Basta healthy.
Kaya nga eh. May kalaro na si Bebeng.
Ha?
May kalaro na si Bebeng.
Kaya nga eh.
Hula din nila ate, ano eh, girl. Pati sila ay.
Babae.
Oo.
Ah,
It's abo.
ano? Anong buwan? August?
Oo, August 8 daw ang due date.
August 8. Hindi pa 23, no?
Kaya nga.
Ako, may kalaro na si Riley.
Kaya nga, ang kukulit.
Canadian boy.
Canadian. Kita. Okay, oh. Wait ah. Wait. Oh, yan. Yan, sa ulo lang, sa ulo. Parang dito siya nakaharap. Natalikod.
Ito yung
Harap mo to, yan. Okay, 1, 2, 3.